content every day. I just did a brand new photo shoot actually for OnlyFans. If you are not on OnlyFans, then all you're gonna know. Type it.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. So subscribe if for your first time over here. So is it? Yeah, people. So stick around so you can see some answers for some question. I'm sure you guys would like to know the answer for too. So check out.
I'm even stronger now. Thank you so much. I don't really use negativity. It's like a stepping stone for me. That negativity, like I walk on it clearly. Crush out negativity. I don't really look at me. Look at girl good. So negativity, me not embrace that. You know, I use it as like a motivation. Yeah. Now wait for no boy, people on my pot. Me good over ya, so it all like that. Me have my own iPhone fame. Alright, go back into the chat. Yeah, hold on. Me have my yeah, no one talk to them, let them to me. Me have my own where go stand them say? And I'm do I have a man? No, I don't have a man, I'm single. Single girl rock sometimes. Single girl rock. I can do whatever I want to do, whatever I want to do, however I want it to.
Can you teach me, please?
If I can teach you to sing, do that. Do that though. I said it come to me right now. Do that. That I singing. I'm going to tell you. I singing that. Do that. Do that, me say. Answer it back. If you can't do that, you are a singer.
So what is the name of your extended playlist, your EP?
What's my EP?
What's the name of the EP?
My EP is gonna be entitled Exposed. I don't think I'm gonna change the name, because that's how everything started. You know, y'all exposed me. Somebody somebody exposed me. So I think the EP will. I know I'm not gonna change the name. Anything can happen, but I think I want to keep it. I want to, keep it there, exposed. Yeah. Any other question? What y'all think? I should name my EP Exposed?
Is the new character coming back, Pamela?
Pamela not gone away though. You know, I was just talking yesterday with my assistant that I think we should do a Pamela. Because we're going to make a mart and they were like, Pamela, I'm going to be there, but I'm going to they are going to sell some house and I'm going to do the thing. So they must say they want to come back, to do a little news and so. So I don't know yet. It takes time, guys. It takes time. I like a production and so. But Pamela not gone nowhere. Well, you can go back and watch, because I have two Pamelas out there. So you can just go back and go and watch them and will have vibe. And if you don't want Pamela so much, you got to send in some requests. You got to figure it out. Just ask me, just send in some, just message me. Send me some DM messages.
So it says OnlyFans later or no?
What do you mean OnlyFans is on?
Are you going to go, are you posting?
If I am posting on OnlyFans, I post OnlyFans content every day. I just did a brand new photo shoot actually for OnlyFans. If you are not on OnlyFans, then all you're going to know, type in the OnlyFans link for me. So I can make you know. Alright, we're going to.
Come out to the next and extended.
Oh, but because what I like now. Oh, so we can't even come out and end it. Alright, for the people, it's on the fast. Alright, the link for my OnlyFans is in my bio. So once you hit the bio on Instagram, you see the link from my OnlyFans. OnlyFans above. Yeah, man, is the sexier side of the angel. The long and lean doll is over OnlyFans. Don't get it twisted. What made me start on OnlyFans? To make income, to make money, to pay my bills, to survive. It's an earning platform. That's why I started it. It's not now going to music the pause right now. So, and I've been showing off the sexy side of me. My model. So every time I show my legs, my beauty, my aesthetic, my sexy side, it goes viral. So I say, you know what? Why not capitalize on that? And make people pay to see me being sexy. So that's why I even joined it. All that motivated me. And then the show now go on, now keep. So I said, me happy eat. So, all that motivated me to join it. Yeah. What else? else you know what? Any question them
We're
ask me
asking you
answer.
about OnlyFans and how you feel about posting the pictures and you're asking.
Them can ask me anything they want to ask me. Never don't come question. Ask me anything you want to ask me. Say, this is the moment because with the traffic, I was stuck in the traffic and we are moved. But we don't answer nothing negative. You understand what I say? We don't depend that. But we can answer what they want, because what they want to ask, you know, what they want to hear. But if it,
People put posting your money on the internet when you have stuff. This is what money make you I do.
why are you accusing me?
You can fix her.
Eh? What's your name? What?
Teeny boo.
Tini Boo, why are you accusing me? Did you see I post anything? Eh? Check me name out of your nasty mouth. Moving right along. I'm not pashy. Fuck you.
I'm a person that can sing. Can you teach me?
You have to, let me go back. You have to do, people have to do it. Everybody have to do what they have to do. You understand what I say? Whether you're a mother, because everybody a mother these days. Everybody a mother these days. So at the end of the day, we have to do what we have to do is to take care of the responsibility. You understand what I say? So to each his own. Me not no girl hustle. You understand? Me not no girl hustle. No gyal. No boy can knock my hustle. Anyway. Back to the reasoning. Back to good reasoning. Back to good reasoning. Cause I'm taking questions, I answer questions, but I ask for no foolishness, man. I ask for no foolishness. I ask things that make sense. Yes, man. You hear that? Come out with a happy mood. I will start going with happy mood. But when you say questions, I'll answer them. Questions that make sense, you know?
Somebody asks, are you gonna make more songs?
I'm making more songs every day. I've been making songs. Which is your favorite song? Ronico.
Squirt chat.
Yeah, Ronico _chop. Which one of is your favorite song? So I'll make more of those. But I'm working on my EP now. I mean, it's a song. Yeah, man. So I have new songs out. I have talked about out right now. I have a Mine and Exposed. So them 3 songs that out right now in rotation. So yeah, it's a go on. Tagwan, big buzz.
You want to chat to anybody else?
If I want to let anybody else come on my, it doesn't matter. Right now it's a freestyle Thursday, and anything goes. Freestyle Thursday. I have to question them, and answer them. After anything, we answer. You understand what I say? And right now we take some video calls too. So we'll select some people, talk to the fans them, because I have everybody as a fan. Everybody's a fan. All who feel like them like me, you are a fan. Because you just want to see I know. What else do I want to do? Traffic and we are talking.
I'm going to be there only.
Pamela, for OnlyFans. Alright. That down go on. That down go work. OnlyFans is for the long and lean doll, not Pamela. Isn't it? So Pamela would not work over there. Pamela's a different character, different person altogether. So let's work with the long and lean doll over OnlyFans. I'm not even the angel over OnlyFans, you know. Because I want people to understand, it's not the angel over OnlyFans, it's a long and lean doll. They have different personalities. So it's the long and lean doll, it's over OnlyFans. The angel is the artist.
Somebody says you ever think to have another baby?
Pamela is a news anchor, another personality. The only way I think I would have another baby if I maybe get married again and, you know, certain level of stability. Because at the end of the day, sometimes I'm a single mother, you know, and that's not easy. So I would not want to have another child in that situation. I'd really want, you know, maybe to get married again and to have some form of stability and security, you know, for my son or daughter or, you know, whatever God bless me with. But with, you know, I would really want that support, you know, as a more, you know, somebody to stand by, you know, stand by me and go ahead and help me raise that child. You know, because doing it by yourself sometimes is the hardest thing ever. The hardest thing. I know mother out there can really that is the hardest thing. So I'm gonna pick it up right now. I'm gonna ask it right now. I'm gonna ask it right now. Oh, the questions are coming in and I'm answering the ones that I see make sense. Oh, questions are coming in. Take your time. Yeah, so I'm waiting on the other questions, guys. So my agent is here and he's reading them, so I can answer as much as I can.
Somebody says, what advice would you give to a young artist?
My advice to young artist now. Just stay focused. If it's something that you love, make sure it's something you love. And you're not coming out to make a quick money because them things they fade. And you just humble, focus on the craft, build your craft, and you know, be able to accept constructive criticism, and just know that it's hard work. You know, as a young artist coming in the business, know that it's a lot of hard work and dedication, and just stay focused on what you know, and the type of music that you want to put out, and just dig on your craft and just go for it. It's hard work, but you have to just prepare your feet, yeah, and stay prayed up. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
So he says, where are you going?
Where am I going? I'm going different places. I'm going different places to see many faces. I'm gonna do OnlyFans content. That I'm gonna do right now. I think y'all. Yeah.
You should tell me about tomorrow. You're gonna be on Intense.
No, because it's pre-recorded.
Okay.
Yeah. So we do.
You're gonna come on the weekend.
We're doing, yeah.
Pink Rhythm.
So tomorrow I'm doing a promotion. Pink Rhythm. All of us ladies will be jamming. Tomorrow we'll be on Intense. Tomorrow we'll do Intense. So for the week, so over the weekend, you guys can look up for us. The Pink Rhythm promotion. Yeah. All the females them. I'm gonna bang it up and go out a bag or something. So yeah, talk about video coming soon as well. Yeah, and a bag of something. So let's keep it updated with things that's current and things that's happening. Look up and talk about video. And I did a collaboration with another female artist. We're gonna shoot the video for that. I won't say who the female artist is, but you will see. Also, you know, we're doing Intense this week. The promotion won't continue. The Pink Rhythm. Yeah, back to the question then. Yeah, more talk up things. Because I'm here on my platform and we can talk. And so they can ask me whatever you want to ask me. Ask me things that make sense. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, switch out and put a Pamela Paoni, you know, so that they ask me things that make sense.
Somebody says, what is it like when attending studio and your music won't just go hit?
Just keep going. Never stop. Just keep going. You never know, you just find the formula one day. Never stop working.
Somebody who didn't put it in the question says, what 2 important lessons have you learned from being a man of Bounty Killer that helped you in your career?
Alright, the 2 important lessons that I learned from Bounty and Beanie that helps me with my career is identifying who I am and working hard to build my brand. You know, so it never have nothing to do with it just because of the association with Bounty and Beanie. That really carries me to where I want to go. I have to do me. I have to stand up for me and do me and show the world that I am talented. You know, not because of the association with people. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. But I unfortunately had to prove myself. And the one lesson that I learned is how to be resilient and strong. Yeah, most of all. Probably 2 of them. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because we go through back of field, and I survived it all. So I just learned to be strong and resilient. Yeah. What else? Oh, the questions are here?
Yeah, right here. Gotcha. Get you another one.
Yeah, I order some foods. People. Go on to my stall. Go on to my foods, lady. So you may order some foods, but yeah, me don't still like that. We're still talking while I'm ordering. Come on. You get my thing then? We need grape. Rose petal, banana, gooseberry and sweet top. Yeah.